It is not a secret that threat actors like to use any sensitive or popular topic for their phishing campaigns. And the death of Queen Elizabeth II is not an exception. There is a new phishing campaign where attackers impersonate the Microsoft team and try to bait the recipients into adding their memo text onto an online memorial board in memory of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Learning this way, the attackers steal Microsoft account details and attempt to get their victims multi-factor authentication, short MFA, codes to take over their accounts. The phishing page has been created with the EvilProxy phishing kit, which we recently talked about. The activity of another threat actor discovered by the FBI includes sending phishing emails to financial departments of healthcare payment processors. Criminals are combining multiple tactics to obtain login credentials of employees and modify payment instructions. The FBI says that in just 3 such incidents in February and April this year, attackers delivered more than $4.6 million from the victims to their accounts. Acronis advanced email security prevents phishing emails from reaching your user's inbox, preventing them from revealing their credentials in such attacks.